Little duck, little lick lip. Lick, lick. Nope. Good. Very nice. Thank you. Very nice. You're such a good girl. Nope. Good. Better. Softer ears. Ducking. Nope. Good. Very good girl. That could be a problem. Good. Except that she's still engaging with me. Good. Very nice. All right, are we ready? And we're gonna follow that dog for a bit, but if something like that stresses you out, remember, take a deep breath, put your shoulders down, relax the leash. Sniffing, good. I'm gonna take a moment to sniff over here because I can get her to disengage. Good, thank you, go ahead. Go sniff the stuffs. Maybe not, okay. But we're gonna follow that dog a little bit and we're going to prioritize her ability to listen to the leash. And I'm going to interrupt her, good, whenever she's not capable to prioritize the conversation with me. Okay, stays we because we're both working here. Very nice. Good. Her head is down, but she's using her nose. She's not staring. And she's not engaged with that other dog while we're moving forward right now, which is also good. Yeah, there we go. Good. Much better. Good. Also allowing her to sniff after something like that because I want her to disengage from the other dog and because of the physiological benefits of her sniffing. Ducking. Good. There. That's what I'm looking for. Very nice. Ready? I want her to sniff to lower her heart rate to reduce her stress level. That's going to benefit us while we're working on this. Slowing her down. Good. Every time I'm doing that, I'm pulling up the leash a little bit. Good, thank you. And waiting for her to yield. Even just a little bit. Kelly, did you find something gross? So if I want to slow down, I slow down my speed. Good. And I pull up on the leash just enough to get some tension. Good. Response, beautiful. Good. So another reason I took a breath right then is to remind her to breathe and slow down. And she did. Took a moment, but she did it. Okay. Slow. Good. Slow. Good. Thank you. Another dog. Beautiful. Slow her down. Very good girl. Good. Very nice. Okay, we're going to adjust here. Good, so if I think we're going to struggle more, I put everything back up to the top of her neck. Okay. Very nice. Oh, you did so well. Good girl. Good. Good. Good girl. Very good girl. Move. Second three. Good. Keep moving. Very nice. What a good dog. I'll give her a couple more for that. So nicely done. Such a good girl. No. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Very nice. Very nicely done. Good. Very good girl. Thank you. Good girl. Good. Good job. Good job. Yes. That's one of those situations where if I had allowed that, come back. Good. That would have escalated into a much bigger reaction. Good. Come on. Good. Thank you. Good. Nope. Very nice. Good girl. Very good.